The 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Limited with custom trim at Frederick Chevrolet in Lebanon, Pennsylvania. Some features include Chevy's industry-leading 2.7-liter engine featuring 310 horsepower and 460 foot-pounds of torque, up to 20 miles per gallon, and up to 9,200 pounds towing capacity. Plus, the 22 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Limited with custom trim comes in four-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission. For more information on our 22 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Limited with custom trim lineup, or any of our Chevrolet Silverados, ride in 6 days a week. Visit frederickchevrolet.com or call 717-274-1461. Frederick Chevrolet is veteran-owned and operated. We are your one-stop shop for all things Chevrolet. Check out our new and pre-owned Chevrolet Silverado lineup and more at frederickchevrolet.com. Thank you for being a friend of Frederick.